This December, the universe is in for a treat. Meteor showers, planetary alignments, and the moon in the sky are all catching our attention. In this video, we explain the science behind these incredible celestial events. The amazing thing is that we can experience these space adventures right from our own backyards, where each event is a new opportunity to enjoy the wonders of space. Let's begin this unique exploration. The cosmic experience of Jupiter's opposition. The most visually stunning planetary event of the year begins in December 2024. As we look back into space at this time, the glorious anticipation of Jupiter's opposition is set to unfold, bringing a unique opportunity for cosmic viewers. With the Sun, Earth, and Jupiter aligned in a straight line, Jupiter will reach opposition on Monday, December 7th. This feature, which will bring Jupiter to its closest point to us, will allow us to see it from a new perspective. The bright gas giant will create a spectacular sight on Thursday night. With Jupiter's direct alignment with our Sun, its distinctive features will be easily visible even through relatively small telescopes. The major cloud bands that make up Jupiter's structure and the Great Red Spot will be clearly visible. During this opposition of Jupiter, scientists will be able to observe in detail its Galilean moons, especially Europa, whose possible subsurface ocean is of particular interest to us. The moons that Galileo discovered in 1610 seem to herald a new distant empire. During Jupiter's opposition, the gas giant will provide invaluable information about the development and formation of our solar system. By analyzing Jupiter's atmosphere at this time, we will see that it is not only a gas giant, but also serves as a template for planet formation. Jupiter helps improve our understanding of exoplanets and other solar systems through its atmospheric composition and magnetic field. By observing every subtle feature of Jupiter during opposition, scientific insights can be gained. So sit back and enjoy this spectacular experiment with the beauty of the gas giant through this cosmic event. Jupiter's opposition will open up new horizons, leaving a terrifying reflection in the dreamy night sky for the viewers. The sweetness of the celestial event in the evening sky. On December 4th, a magical scene unfolded in the evening sky when the Moon and Venus came close together, offering a wonderful example. The event will create an accidental meeting of two cosmic friends, where the Moon shone as an evening star accompanied by the sparkling glow of Venus. The clouds made of atmospheric carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid make their closeness particularly interesting. This celestial pair shows us how planets and satellites maintain their relationship with each other. Keen observers will easily spot this narrow ridge between the Moon and Venus, a masterpiece of celestial mechanics. They will combine in a captivating style to create a thrilling ornament in the night sky. This is not only an illustration, but also a boon for those who are new to space observation. On December 15th, the full moon will make a new encounter with Jupiter, creating another bright focal point in the night sky. Through this event, they will easily learn the process of detection, while experienced astronomers will be able to hone their skills. With the beauty of the night ahead, these celestial images will awaken their hearts and awaken their senses. Geminid meteor shower observations in December. This December, there will be an exciting spectacle in the sky when we will witness two meteor showers. The main one will be the powerful Geminid meteor shower, which disrupts our heads with colorful meteors every December. Geminid meteors are rare, as they originate from the debris of the asteroid 32,000 Photon, which left a tail as it traveled close to the Sun. The Geminid meteor shower can produce more than 150 meteors per hour at its peak. especially when the moonlight is low. These meteors are particularly attractive due to their brightness and variety of colors, which vary from white to yellow, blue, and even green. Although there may be some disruption due to the coincidence of the full moon in 2024, many meteors will still be brightly visible in the sky. The best time to see it is at midnight, when the Geminids are at their peak. Not only is it a thrilling celestial spectacle, but this meteor shower is also a source of valuable information for researchers. Geminid meteors provide groundbreaking information about their parent asteroid, which helps researchers study solar influence and its evolution over time. Observers can choose distant dark spots on the border of the shower to enjoy this cosmic lifetime of light as the sky brightens up at midnight. The quiet ceremony of the Geminid meteor shower. After December 22nd, there is a good chance of seeing 5 to 10 meteors per hour. These meteors, which are less intense than Geminid, are still unrivaled in their charm. They originate from comets, especially 8P Tuttle, which create their bright sun-like spots. Opportunists often get caught up in the sky's brilliance. A special time awaits those who wish to see meteors, as they coincide with the schedule of the constellation Ursa Minor. The gibbous moon, although it may partially reduce visibility, will still give brave observers in dark skies the opportunity to catch these faint meteors. Finally, these meteors discover a new wonder streaming northward, making our night sky mysterious and enchanting. Get ready to experience meteor viewing. December sky. The effect of the new moon and the perihelion. The sky takes on a new look at the beginning of December, illuminated by the new moon. From the 1st to the 30th, the moon catches our eye through its various phases. When the new moon is between the Earth and the Sun, it is invisible to the naked eye, but this creates ideal conditions for deep sky viewing. Observers sitting in unpolluted areas can see the brightness of other stars and galaxies in the sky at this time. On the night of the full moon on December 15th, the moon rises and lights up the sky in its full glory. However, when the weather is cold, the moon's brightness can obscure other celestial objects. This lunar cycle in December has cultural and historical significance. It is the most important full moon of the year, marking the end of winter, the shortest days and the longest nights in the Northern Hemisphere. In the Southern Hemisphere, this time signals the beginning of summer. This scientific cycle of nature affects our lives, from agriculture to cultural activities. It maintains the delicate balance of our planet and its connection to the sun, which ensures the integrity of the entire Earth, including life. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. You can share your valuable feedback in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to get more such mysterious and exciting videos.